Alright, got a 2003 Chevy Silverado base model V6 with a stick, and I'm tightening the rear parking brake. Seems to be a typical problem about this time with these vehicles. Remember safety, take all the proper safety precautions, and if you don't know what those are, you need to go look all those up. Biggest thing is all your braking is in without standing on the actual brakes, hydraulic brakes themselves. Your parking brake and your gear, if you got it in, is keeping everything down in the back. So make sure you chalk the wheels in the front real good, no matter what surface you're on. So I'm on a little bit of a decline back here, backside down, so got the brick underneath the bottom. So here, I've already pulled off the wheel that I'm sitting on, the rotor, and the brake caliper. Brake caliper can come off. The line's long enough that you can just set it up out of the way. Pretty easy, 2 bolts that I've got sitting down here. Here you got the parking brake. The disc rides inside the main rotor here. It's a drum set up inside the disc. So you'll just check it, make sure your actual shoes are in good shape here. It's a solid piece all the way around. If you do have to take it off, there's a little bolt right here. You just get your socket out. I think it's a little over 1/4, and pull that dude off. It's a bracket that comes out, and you can slide the whole dude out if you're actually having to replace. It's a little bit of a tough nut to get these guys in. But to actually tighten it, real simple. You've got this little ratcheted spot here, and so I gotta remember which way I gotta go. But for me, it was 2 1/4 turns. I've already done the other side. So I'm gonna get this guy. Now what I forgot to do was mark this thing. So, got a little white mark in there that I'm going to use. I don't have to take anything off. Looks like I may have knocked that guy off. So a little bit of a pain, but you get the idea. I do about 2 1/4 turns. Took me from just a little bit of grab that would not hold me on a fairly steep hill to plenty enough. So you can see you've got a little bit of a gap here. Spreads the brake just a little bit, and you should start feeling tension roughly about halfway through your parking brake travel. So that'll take care of it. Put it all back together, and hope this helped.